Welcome to the Master Workshop, where molten sand becomes art.
The glass is poured onto a texture plate at over 2000 degrees.
Rapidly pressed to imprint the vein structure before it cools.
While still pliable, it is shaped to mimic the organic curve of a leaf.
For larger architectural pieces, gravity does the work.
Creating a twisted cane requires precise timing and steady hands.
Now, the master begins the intricate process of sculpting a horse.
Pulling the molten material to create the neck and head.
Gold leaf is applied for a luxurious finish, fusing with the silica.
A torch is used to maintain heat in specific areas for fine detailing.
Here, a clear crystal snake is coiled around a polychrome vase.
Fusion must be perfect to prevent cracking during the cooling process.
Every muscle is defined with a simple cut of the shears.
The final step is the annealing oven to slowly cool the masterpiece.
From liquid fire to frozen beauty, the art of Murano lives on.
Precision is key as the master joins the stem to the chalice.
24-karat gold leaf is fused onto the hot surface, a signature of Venetian opulence.
The glass is pulled and crimped to mimic the texture of mythical wings.
Symmetry is maintained by constant rotation, fighting the pull of gravity.
With a few deft cuts, the creature's face emerges from the fire.
Frequent reheating is essential to keep the glass workable without shattering.
The rim is leveled with a wooden paddle, charred by the intense heat.
A masterpiece of complexity, completed in a single heat cycle.
Now we move to the creation of a large, textured architectural element.
The molten mass is cast into a ribbed mold to create a structural glass fan.
Immense pressure is applied to ensure every detail of the mold is captured.
The resulting piece is a heavy, textured component for a luxury lighting fixture.
Color is added using glass frit, melting into a vibrant speckled pattern.
Gravity is the glass blower's most powerful tool for shaping elegance.
A high contrast piece, wrapping clear crystal around a dark, obsidian-like base.
The clear coil adds a layer of depth and refraction to the opaque surface.
Finishing the rim requires a steady hand to ensure a smooth, safe edge.
The maestro begins the sculpture of a rearing stallion from a single gather.
Speed is essential. The glass waits for no one.
The tail acts as a third point of balance for the dynamic sculpture.
A final inspection of the silhouette before the glass hardens completely.
Detached from the pipe, the stallion is ready for the annealing process.
From the dusty workshop to the height of luxury living.
Each arm is a testament to the twisted cane technique we witnessed earlier.
The gold-infused leaf bowl finds its home, capturing the Mediterranean sun.
Industrial textures transform into modern elegance in this bespoke installation.
The ruby stallion stands frozen in time, a symbol of strength and fragility.
Surrounded by the timeless beauty of Murano glass craftsmanship.
Where tradition meets the future of design.
After cooling, the piece enters the cold shop for grinding and polishing.
Imperfections are ground away, leaving a flawless, stable base.
Cork and pumice reveal the true brilliance of the crystal surface.
Precision drilling is required for the assembly hardware to fit perfectly.
A delicate operation where a single slip could ruin hours of work.
The skeleton of the chandelier is prepared with hidden circuitry.
Glass meets metal, transforming individual components into a cohesive structure.
Thousands of crystals are attached by hand, creating a cascade of light.
Wow. The moment of truth, the first illumination of the finished fixture.
To ensure safe travel worldwide, traditional packing methods are often best.
Nested in wood wool, the sculpture is cushioned against the rigors of transport.
Sealed and marked, a piece of Venice is ready to cross the ocean.
In the world's finest hotels, Murano glass defines the atmosphere.
The organic textures bring warmth to contemporary architectural spaces.
Functional art that elevates the everyday dining experience.
Objects of desire that hold our most precious treasures.
Engineered to withstand the elements while providing uncompromising luxury.
Within the glass, the breath of the master blower is captured forever.
Behind every piece are the hands, the sweat, and the passion of the artisans.
Murano, an island of fire floating on the water.
The cycle continues. The fire never sleeps. At a microscopic level, the gold becomes one with the glass, creating an eternal bond.
The shears must be sharp and the hand decisive to sever the molten flow.
Steam acts as a cushion, allowing the wood to shape the glass without scratching it.
Light is the final ingredient, revealing the hidden geometry within the crystal.
Decades of experience are etched into the faces of the maestros.
A universe of color, trapped in a vessel of obsidian glass.
Shadow and light dance together, sculpted by the ridges of the glass.
Not every piece survives the fire, but from the fragments, knowledge is gained.
a tradition of excellence preserved by the masters of Murano.